Hello folks, today we have 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan and we're going to do the oil and oil filter change. First of all, you just release the hood and make sure the car is on the ramps, or you put it onto the floor jack and remember to chock the wheels and it's on the ramps on both sides here. Now we are going to, after the van is up on the ramps and the wheels are chalked, and also make sure you let it run for some time so it reaches to the operating temperature, and then you're just gonna remove that top cover. You just pull it up and then it just comes out like that. Put it away. Now the oil filter is right there, and you need 24 mm hex socket to remove it, or 15-16 socket to remove it. But before that, we are going to remove like this clamp, and then there's another clamp over here, and then there's one more clamp under this hose. You just unclamp those three, and then you pull it a little bit that side, and then you can just push it aside so that you have room to remove that oil filter. And I'm going to use a bungee cord just to keep it away. So that's the bungee cord. I just hooked it here so it keeps it away. Now let's open that oil filter. So put that socket on the head of that oil filter. Just unscrew it. Remove the socket. Remove the filter. Now we are going to remove that O-ring from the old filter. That's the O-ring, and we're also going to pull the new filter out. So the old filter is out now, and remember that these clips, they go inside. So this is the new one. So the new one is going to go inside. So when you push it, it should make a clicking noise. So now it's secured inside. Now there's a new O-ring. I'm just gonna go put some fresh oil to this O-ring, and now we're gonna put it on top of it. Make sure it goes into this groove. Like so. And now we are ready to put it back. Same way, just tighten it with hand first. Make sure it's not cross-threaded or so. And you are going to tighten it to the 18 foot-pound. Now we are going to put this back, unhook the bungee cord, and then make sure these tabs, they slide into there. And these are the clamps 1, 2, and 3. Once all the 3 clamps are in, you are good to go under the engine to open the drain valve for that oil. We are not going to put the top cover on it yet because we have to put the oil in. So when you go down, you have to look for the drain bolt, which is right here, and this is 13 mm. You can just put that 13 mm socket, that, and then just hit it hard, and then it will get loose. After that, you can just open it with your hand, or maybe not, a little more. It's kind of tight. Now you can open it with your hand and make sure the drain plug is that is under. So it's gonna just make sure it flows on the drain bucket like so. So once it is finished draining, you can just put the drain plug back. And the torque setting for this one is 20 foot-pound. As per manual, it takes 5W20. That's what we're gonna put into it slowly. 5W20 full synthetic, and it takes 5.6 liters. So this jug is a 5 liter, so I will add 0.6 from a 1 liter bottle, which I have also bought. Now after adding the 0.6 liter more in here, you can close this, and but first you have to check the dipstick to make sure the level is good. And make sure the van is parked on the level surface before checking it. Now it's showing here up to this mark, which is say safe, so we are okay. Now you can put the top cover back. You just push it. We are good to go now. So now we are going to reset that error message that tells you replace the or change the oil. So you're gonna just turn the key to the on position, just do not start it, and then you have to press the gas pedal 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Within 10 seconds, turn it off, and then back on, and you should be okay. Yeah, there's no message to change the oil.